Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making carrot muffins, but they are gluten free. So let's just get straight into it. The ingredients you'll need are 140 grams of carrots chopped up like that, 140 grams of gluten free plain flour, 90 milliliters of water, 90 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup or honey, depends what you have, 1 chopped up banana, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. So let's get into the baking. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a sieve and a bowl, and we're going to sieve in all our dry ingredients, which is our gluten-free plain flour, our bicarbonate soda, and our baking powder, and the last ingredient, our ground cinnamon. This ground cinnamon just adds a bit of extra flavour. We're now just going to put it to the side and grab another bowl. In here, we're going to grind all our wet ingredients. So our water, our vegetable oil, our vanilla extract, our golden syrup, our carrots, our banana, and our egg. Then we're just going to mix this up. We're then going to bring back our dry ingredients. I'm going to pour this into here. We are then going to slowly fold this in. I forgot to add is raisins or sultanas. I'm going to add about 2 cups in, so about 160 grams ish, but you can add as many or as little as you want. But in our family, we love a good raisin. So we are just going to, or sultana, so I put a lot more in. You don't have to. This is an optional step if you don't like raisins at all. You don't have to put them in. You can always put nuts in if you want. About 60 grams of nuts would do just fine, or any nuts at all would be fine. Preferably walnuts, because that obviously goes with a carrot cake. But my family, they are not really nut person. Other than coconut, we love coconut. And also my sister's isn't allowed like lot of nuts. She's not allergic to it, but she's intolerant. And so is my mum. So that is our mixture. We're just going to grab some cupcake cases and we're going to fill these up. Okay, so these are now full in the cupcake cases, and so these are going to go into the already preheated oven at 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Ta-da! So here are the finished products. My mum already has eaten one. She said they were delicious though, so I'm very happy with that. They also, as well as being gluten-free, are sugar-free. So instead of the sugar, there is a banana, which always sweetens up the dish, as well as some raisins, which sweetens up it as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you try these, then don't forget to tag me. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!